everyone, Brayden here from Health Promotion Borden. This is the third part of our three-part series on summer healthy eating, and today we're going to be doing a summer vegetarian barbecue. On the menu today we've got a summer bean salad. We also have an arugula and fresh berry salad with a vinaigrette that is maple and Dijon. And then finally our main course will be a walnut and black bean veggie burger that will be grilled on the barbecue.
Hey everyone, Jackie here. I'm going to be showing you how to make our Southwest bean salad. Come on in and I'll show you the ingredients. Alright, so you're going to need 1 can of chickpeas, 1 can of bean medley of your choice, a can of corn or frozen corn, about a cup, half of a red onion chopped up nice and finely, about 2 tablespoons of honey. In our spice bowl here we have cilantro, coriander, cumin, chili powder, salt, pepper, as well as some garlic, about a teaspoon of each of those spices. You'll also need some lemon, some lime, and some olive oil. Alright, so we're going to start with the dressing. It's super simple. You're going to use some olive oil, probably about 1/4 cup. Add that into your bowl. We're going to add in our honey. We're going to get that out of there. About half of a lime, juiced. I like to change the amount of lime I put in just to taste at the end, but start with about half of a lemon. Squeeze this over your hands to catch any seeds. I'm going to just kind of whisk that together. And then I'm going to add in all of my spices. Mix that up so the lemon juice and olive oil are together. Nicely mixed. And then we're just going to add in all our beans. Bean medley. You could change this up and add whatever beans that you like. If you like black beans, you can add a can of those in there as well. Our corn. And our onion. Give that a good mix. And that's pretty much it. I like to let it sit for at least an hour in the fridge to let all of the flavors kind of come together. And then of course you can adjust your seasoning to your personal taste preferences. If you wanted to make this vegan, all you'd have to do is eliminate the honey. You could add a different sweetener, maybe maple syrup or something like that for a little bit of sweetness. But otherwise, super simple summer Southwest bean salad.
Alrighty, so now we're going to make our summer salad. We've got some arugula and spinach in a bowl here, about 2 cups of each. We have some diced cucumbers and some sliced red onion. We have some pecans, preferably toasted if you can. About 1/3 cup of feta crumbled. Some fresh berries. We are using strawberries today. And then for our vinaigrette, it's going to be a Dijon and maple vinaigrette. So I'm using balsamic vinegar, some maple syrup, some Dijon mustard, and then I've got olive oil. So for the dressing, we're going to put all of our ingredients into a bowl here and then just whisk it up. So we're using about, I would say about 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinaigrette in the bowl here. Some Dijon mustard, or lighter mustard if you want not so full flavored. About 1.5 tablespoons of maple syrup, and you can use whatever sweetener you want on that. And then about 1/4 cup of olive oil. Alright, and then afterwards we just whisk this all together until it's all mixed together. And then we'll set that aside for when we're about to serve the salad. And then to assemble the salad, just throw everything into the dish here. And then feta on top. And there you have it, the summer salad, and then you put on the Dijon mustard vinaigrette when you're ready to serve. Alright, and finally we're going to be making a walnut and black bean burger. So first we have some black beans here, we've got some walnuts, I put them in the oven and roasted them a bit. We've got some smoked paprika, some brown sugar, some salt, pepper, cumin, as well as some chili powder, some vegan barbecue sauce, some sauteed onions that I just sauteed up, some brown rice, and then some panko breadcrumbs. You can find vegan if you're vegan as well. So to start with this, I'm just going to take in my food processor some roasted walnuts and toss them in there. And then all your spices are also going to go in here as well. And then I'm going to pulse this till quite fine. And then what I'm going to do is put in the black beans and pulse it a little bit just so the black beans kind of get a little mushy consistency, but still kind of intact. And then I'll show you what to do next. Alrighty, so we've blended our black bean, walnut, and spices mixture here. I'm just going to add to it my breadcrumbs, the sauteed onions that I previously sauteed, and then 1 cup of cooked brown rice, and about 1/3 of a cup of vegan or non-vegan if you don't want vegan barbecue sauce. And then I'm just going to mix this all up until it's the right consistency and then form them into patties. Alrighty, so we've preheated our grill up nice and hot and added some oil to it just to give it a nice coating. And then all you do is take the formed patties and place them on the grill. Let those cook for about 3 or 4 minutes before flipping them over. Alrighty, so we finished grilling up our veggie burgers and they're all ready to go. We're going to pair them with a whole grain bun of our choice and then some of our favorite burger toppings here. And then we're going to get eating. And just like that, our plate is ready to go. If we're following Canada's food guide, we are having a balanced plate here. So we've got a whole grain bun, which is our whole grain. We've also got some brown rice in the burger. And then our protein foods are tons of legumes and beans throughout these 2 recipes here, and some nuts from our summer salad. And then a ton of veggies in here from our toppings for our burger to our salad, to even some veggies in the bean salad. So it looks great and I'm going to enjoy this.